Introduction to Ocean School Historical Perspective. Lab safety begins before you go to the lab. To describe the historical development of OSH education, to introduce OSHA 1994 and its philosophy, to brief the development of OSH management, accidents and incidents, to introduce safety and health in science laboratory. Early recognition of occupational diseases. In 1473, a German physician, Ellenberg, published the first known pamphlets on occupational disease from gold miners. In 1556, the German scholar Agricola described the disease of miners. In 1713, Ramazzini, who is regarded as the father of occupational medicine, suggested that in diagnosis doctors should ask patients about their occupation. Emergence of industrial accidents. Industrial ac- listed list three more safe lab practices in the boxes provided. Industrial accidents arose out of the factory system during the Industrial Revolution in Britain in the 18th century 1700s. Women and children worked as heavy laborers under unsafe and unhealthy workplaces. Emergence of industrial safety legislation. In 1833, English Factory Act was the first effective industrial safety law. It provided compensation for accidents rather than to control their causes. Insurance companies inspected workplaces and suggested prevention methods. Problem: safety became injury and insurance oriented. Emergence of safety management. Role of Herbert W. Heinrich 1930s developed domino theory and promoted control of workers' behavior. Problem: focused on worker behavior and not management. Caused people to think that safety is about policing workers. Frank Bird 1970 developed loss control theory, suggested the underlying cause of accidents and our lack of management controls and poor management decisions. Problem: not so popular. Blames management, responsibility, and control. In 1980s, behavioral-based safety (BBS) also known as BBS was introduced. Based on Heinrich findings, work by recognizing safe work habits and offering rewards and punishment. Problem: focuses on workers and not on hazard or management. Reward and punishment system have flaws. Emergence of safety management system. Current development of occupational safety and health management system was driven by two parallel forces: emergence of safety management system, a self-regulatory legislation in the United Kingdom 1974. B. Quality management movement, a self-regulation legislation. Lord Robbins, chairman of a Royal Safety Commission, noted that there was too many OSH legislation, was fragmented, limited in coverage, specific hazards and workplace, out of date and difficult to update, inflexible, prescriptive. People thought that safety was what government inspectors enforced. Enacted in Malaysia in 1994 after 1992 bright sparkler accident in Sungai Buloh. Lesson learned from world-related safety and health tragedy. Woeful tragedy. Many meta diseases, Piper Alpha, Chernobyl, bright sparkler Sungai Buloh. Enjoy watching and discuss. Remember, safety first. Thank you.